Hey everyone, today we're checking out ProCare Citrus Floor Cleaner Concentrate, a powerful cleaner made in the USA that works on vinyl, wood, tile, stone, and laminate floors. This floor cleaner leaves a streak-free shine and a fresh citrus aroma that eliminates odors, including pet urine. It's tough on stains, but gentle enough to protect delicate finishes and won't dry out wood over time. Perfect for kitchens and bathrooms, this solution is safe around kids and pets, making it a family-friendly choice. With over 30 years of experience, Professional Coatings, Inc. delivers a no-rinse cleaner that can cover up to 320,000 square feet. Just add a squirt to your mop and enjoy a spotless, fresh-smelling home. Experience the natural beauty and care your floors deserve with ProCare Citrus Floor Cleaner. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.